Hey guys, hi. Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial um, for a different makeup you can do for yourself on yourself. So I have my whole um, basket of makeup um, things in it, and you don't have to keep yours in a basket. You could put it in like a box, or you could put it in a bag, or keep it in a just keep it in a drawer. I chose a basket. So the first thing you want to do when you're getting ready to do your makeup is have the stuff. I like to first do my eyelashes. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes, but not these ones, or if you see how those bottom ones, I'm going to do the middle lashes. This actually will only work on the middle lashes. This is like an eyelash curler. That's what it's called. And you can get them anywhere that sells them. Like you could go to a CVS. That's where I got mine. No, I got mine at no, it was a CVS. But they have them at Rite Aid, Walgreens, like different pharmacies. If you don't know where they are, you could ask the pharmacist, but it's not going to be back in the section with the medicine, because it's not a medicine. It's a tool. So what you want to do is you want to stick your eyelashes inside it, and then you squeeze it. You see that? And you kind of pump it like you're pumping brakes. And then the important thing is, when you might want to go to pull away because you're excited to see what it looks like, but you have to actually release it. And it doesn't always work, but sometimes it does. And then do the other one, because humans like symmetry. You're drawn to it, and like babies like faces that are symmetrical. So that's important, to try to get them the same, and they are. So be really careful that you don't get your eyelid inside it, because you might flip it over, like inside out, and that is not. I was going to say it's not beautiful. Like in Western cultures, it's not beautiful, but ideas of beauty are changing all the time. So the next thing I will put on is foundation, which is basically a skin colored paint that you put on your face. Mine is that brand, Neutrogena, and it's number 10 skin. So you can use a tool for it too. I use my fingers because they're more flexible. I have like a lot of control over them. You shake it twice, like no more than that, and then you get it on your finger like that. And then what you want to do is just tap it on all the places that your skin is, and on the nose, but you don't need to go inside the nose, and you don't want it in your mouth either. So, because no one's going to see in there. And then you just rub it in like that. It's really easy. You could do this while you're listening to music, or like in a car ride. It's just really easy. And then you want to just really blend it in. So foundation. Then you're going to do, this is called concealer. Like when you think of the word conceal, you think hiding. And that's actually where it gets its name, from hiding. You're going to find if you have a blemish, you are going to hide it essentially. So you're going to take it and make an X over it. so people know not to look there. And then blend it in. The next thing you want to do, this is blush. And you're probably thinking, when you think of blush, you think of being embarrassed. And that's not beautiful, but this is blush. I have dropped mine a few times, so it's like that, but that's actually good. You want that because take your tweezers and you just pick up select a piece of it, and there's a hair in it, and you could just rub it lightly on your face. That's going to give you that's okay. That's gonna, you just get another one. That's gonna give you a nice makeup. And now it looks like, ooh, oh, oh. So you just like thought of something. Ooh, embarrassing. You can get this is a brush, mine's blue. But it doesn't have to be any, it can be any color. And you do that. And like, you know, as many times as you want, but if you do it for too long, like if you keep doing it for, like, if you're watching a movie and you do it the whole movie, so that's like, how long is a movie? 160 minutes? I guess it's different for each movie. If you're doing this the whole time, it'll start to rub your skin a little raw, so I would just do it for maybe like 15 seconds. Then that should be fine. There's all different kinds of tools you can get. Like, this is a toothbrush, but you can use that too for something. And another, don't forget the eyelashes on the top, the line ones. This is a tool for, oh, this actually comes with a toothbrush. This one actually, you can trace them. Like if you didn't have all of them all the way, you can actually fill in the parts that you need to have. That's good. And you can also, what I like to do is make it a thing like this. And then, so you can buy fake eyelashes, which are, you have to throw away every night, and buy new ones every day, or you can just have them like that. And so this is for you. Okay. Oops. Symmetry. I want to keep it like that. There we go. And then the next thing, what I love is to have, it's purple. So that this goes on your eyelids. You just pat it down like that. Less is more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Lipstick. This is what everyone knows. I've had this. This is Burt's Bees, so it's made out of honey, and I've had this like 15 years because it has honey in it. It never goes bad. So it's got crystals in it, but if you think about it, like crystals, that's a mineral, so it can't go bad. It's like basically a rock, and you put them where? On your lips. So right in the middle, and right in the middle. And what I love about it is I don't know. So So now we're gonna get into more complicated things. This is for contouring. It's brown, and you might think that it's not what you want to have, but it's actually, this is what makeup art, this is I guess like makeup artist magic, movie magic. So if you were in Hollywood, a makeup artist would say, "Oh, you're pretty, but you don't have much of a lines on you that I can tell where you start and stop." So you use a contouring thing, and what I can do. So personally, I don't really like the shape of my nose. It's a kind I don't like, and I can move it to the side using the contouring pencil. It's brown. So that's not my skin tone, but it's like the shadows of my skin are brown. Sometimes black if it's like darker out, but what I have is brown. First, first what I'm going to do is, so my nose is here, and you want to go to like right about here, like where the iris of my eye starts, and you draw it just down. Okay? And then my nose is like this wide. Okay, and then like that. And just bring it over so it connects to your brow line. Okay. And then you have to fill it in so that it looks like a nose. Okay. All right. And then it'll kind of blend itself as you sweat. And then, but now you can see the original note, my biological nose, and I want to hide that. So what I do, I find a color that looks like the highlight of my skin, and I take that, and I'm gonna put that on my nose so it hides it, kind of like so. If it's really light, you're going to look at the other nose that I want you to look at. Oh, I forgot something. This comes in handy because what does a nose have but nostrils? So I had to put nostrils on it and a philtrum. But the problem is, what gives it away is now it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4 nostrils. So I want to, and you'll have to breathe out of your mouth for this, for the rest of the day. That makes me yawn. So you're going to cover your nostrils, the real ones, because you want this to be. So I don't want people to, you gotta spread it out. I don't want people to see that. I'm gonna put this in. And then take my nose color and I'm gonna blend it, paint that so that it is, whoops, so you can't see this nose. And I'm doing it quickly because I'm boiling an egg downstairs and I don't want to, that's where my kitchen is, I don't want to miss it. And so, but you would take probably more time with it. There. So, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. There wasn't anything else that I need to show you, but you'll play with it and see like what kind of things you want to do to add to it. Oh, I thought my cat was on the bed. I thought you would like to see my cat. That's, oh, he is. That's pretty much all. Um, so next time I'll do a different video, and I'll show you like more of an evening look, and I will look into getting mascara. It's something I've wanted to try. Bye.